Can you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Erica. I am 25 years old. I live in Rojas Isabela and I have one son and a living partner, and my son age is 4 years old, and my father occupation is a construction worker and my mother occupation is a housewife, and I have one sister.
Mm-hmm.
And I am a college graduate. I took a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in marketing.
Okay, BBA. So you want to be a businesswoman?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. So you are graduate or undergraduate?
Graduate, ma'am. 4 years school. 4 years.
Okay, I see. Major in marketing.
Yes,
4 year
ma'am.
course. Okay. What is your working experience in Philippines? Which year to which year?
January 2023 to January 2026. I I work as a housemaid, ma'am.
For the housemaid. In Isabella.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 3 years experience. How many kids you need to take care, and how old are they when you start working?
Uh, Two kids, ma'am. One 10 years old boy and 6 years old girl.
Okay, I see. You are you the only one helper in this family?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what you need to do for them?
I cook for them, ma'am, and do the cleaning in the house and take care of the children.
Do you need to assist the assignment, the homework for them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you
I
tell
help
me
them, ma'am.
you help them? Okay, can you tell me what kind of knowledge you can teach them?
Like their assignment in mathematics, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So you are good at mathematics.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I see. How about English?
Not so, ma'am. Just a
Okay,
little.
you can assist also. Is it? Okay. Because in Hong Kong, like most of the homework is English.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so no worry. I think you can assist the homework, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, as aside of helping with the assignment, like tell story or anything you can teach the kid.
Um, I play with them, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Like, uh, my the girl I play with them.
Okay,
Uh,
I see. What will you do if 10 years old and the 6 years old one they have conflict? Maybe they fight with each other. What will you do?
I will talk to them, ma'am.
Talk to them, okay? But they are fighting. They keep fighting with
Um,
each other. Like, what will you do? Will you separate them first?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And then
Mm-hmm.
as what happened,
Mm. And what will you do if the kid not feeling well? Maybe have a high fever.
I will ask the employer, ma'am, if she or he good for take medicine.
Oh, okay. You ask for instruction first.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Mm, uh, I'm willing to learn, ma'am.
Okay. How can you do baking? Baking.
Not so, ma'am.
Okay, I see. Um, see. Oh boy. Okay, if you come Hong Kong, your husband will help you to take care of the kid, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How many years you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as the employer wants me, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and do you have your own pet, dog and cat?
Just dog only, ma'am. Just
Okay,
dog.
I see. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. Bye
Thank you,
bye.
ma'am.